Hello, I'm Sham, and today I want to talk about a relatively new aircraft that is much more efficient than a conventional aircraft. Back in 2020, Airbus released the MAVERIC, a blended wing aircraft. They had been working on the project since 2017. Blended wing aircrafts are aircrafts that have a wide, flat core that integrates into the wing design, giving it a boomerang shape. This concept is not exactly new, as the Northrop B-2 Spirit adopted the design, making it an extremely effective nuclear bombing plane. According to CNN, MAVERIC stands for Model Aircraft for Validation and Experimentation of Robust Innovative Controls. Airbus wanted to do the project so they can understand new concepts and refine technology akin to new plane builds, and the fact that the blended wing build proved to use 20% less fuel than a normal aircraft, even when they had used the exact same engine. All this is a great new concept. It took lots of hard work for Airbus to develop it. And even some people at Airbus thought the project was too radical and would become a hobby. But overall, this project is supposed to be much more efficient once it's put into service. I'm Sham on Hypershamic, and please subscribe.